What's up mga karuba? This is again your konyo boy Apong Glenn Repen, English Ilocano Aglalaok. And today we have a trivia. Okay, sa ating trivia ngayon, meron siyang kaugnayan sa champion natin sa Tan-Ok ni Ilocano. It's the Basi Revolt of Pidig, who been the champion of Tan-Ok 2025. Maraming congratulations sa inyo mga Pidigenyos. This is your year. Oo, ngayon kayo naman ang naging champion. Actually, ang Pidig palagi silang mga runners up. O, palagi silang nandyan sa top 5, top 3. Palaging nandyan. Pero hindi sila nagcha-champion this year lang. So hindi na natin patatagalin kung ano ang ating trivia ngayon. Our trivia, it's about the Basi Revolt. Ang Basi ay isang alak. Alak ng Ilocano. It came from sugar cane. It's a sugar cane wine. Si Pedro Ambaristo ang leader nila. Hoy Pedro! Kumkunada. So, don't you know that the revolt took place in 1807 in Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur? It was sparkled by the Spanish colonial government's monopoly on Basi. Mga taga-Pidig dati talagang manginginom na yan ng Basi. The uprising was led by Pedro Ambaristo and a group of Ilocano rebels who were angered by the Spanish authorities, prohibiting local from making and selling their own Basi. Instead, they were forced to buy it from the government-controlled resources. So, ang nangyari nun, parang nakakaasar naman, hindi tayo pwedeng gumawa or para sa atin lang, dapat ibenta natin. So that was the monopoly. So the revolt lasted for several days. The rebellion started on September 16, 1807 and lasted for several days. The rebels clashed with the Spanish forces in various towns, including Pidig, Badoc, before facing the decisive battle in Ilocos Sur. So, isa rin sa pinakamakasaysayan na place in Basi Revolt is in San Ildefonso, doon sa Bantaway River, kasi doon sila nagtapos. The rebels were captured and executed. After their defeat, many rebels were executed as a warning to the others who might challenge Spanish authority. So, ganun talaga. So, the town of Pidig, where the revolt began, still celebrates the bravery of Ilocano rebels. Oo. To date, Basi making is no longer restricted. Hindi na siya restricted katulad noon. So, marami tayong mabibili na Basi kahit sa mga istorya dyan. Dati nga, nung bata ako, meron silang Basi. Yung ganyan lang nakaliit na shot. 2 piso yata or piso lang. Pwede kang uminom ng ganyan na Basi sa mga stores noon. So, agpaminudo ka man ante, tayo mambasim. So, ganun talaga ang nangyayari noon. But this time, hindi na ko na alam. Baka hindi na 2 piso or 1 peso. Baka ano na siya ngayon, 10 pesos. Kasi, meron na tayong sin taxes. The Ilocos remains famous for its Basi wine production. Sa lahat po ng mga pumupunta dito at mga turista natin, pwede kayo makabili ng mga Basi in every tourist center. Before the monopoly, locals brewed their own Basi, sabi nila. So gumagawa sila at nagproduce sila ng kanilang own Basi as part of their culture and livelihood. But in 1786, the Spanish banned private production and imposed government-controlled distilleries. Locals had to buy Basi at higher prices, and this angered many Ilocanos. The September 16, 1807, dun nagsimula. The rebellion started in Pidig, where rebels attacked government forces and began marching toward Vigan. Kasi ang Vigan, dun nga yung kabisera. As they moved south, more rebels nearby towns joined, increasing their numbers. So, dumadami naman talaga sila. Kasi marami sigurong mga Basi producers na dehado, kaya sumama na rin sila. However, Spanish forces assisted by local officials loyal to the government ambushed the rebels in San Ildefonso, Ilocos Sur. So, namatay sila sa San Ildefonso. Hundreds of rebels were killed, and the survivors, including Pedro Ambaristo, were captured and executed. The Spanish made an example of the captured rebels, executing them publicly to discourage further revolts. So, lahat yung mga na-capture nila, they are publicly, executed. Inaanyayahan nila yung mga tao doon sa harap ng munisipyo nila And then, papatay nila. Siguro, babarilin or something na basta, gano'n. Despite the defeat, the revolt became a symbol of Ilocano resistance against colonial oppression. PD Ilocos Norte is still known for its basi-making tradition. Today, the town holds the festivals to honor the bravery of the rebels and celebrate their local heritage. Basi wine production continues and Ilocos Norte remains one of the best places to buy traditional sugarcane wine. So, that's it. So nag-enjoy kayo dyan sa ating trivia and para sa ating Tanok ni Ilocano Festivals. This is it, guys. So, congratulations sa ating champion of Tanok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals. It's the Pidig Basi Revolt. So, ayan ulit. And this is your Konyo Boy, Apong Learner Rap in English, Ilocano, Aglolokyo. Peace out. Bye-bye.